G'day, it's Jason Ninge. We've got a couple of copies here. What have we got, Ninge?
We've got a couple of calendar, so
We just wanted to actually show you guys the difference. So we've got one printed here locally, so we've got some hard copies in Melbourne to sell to our customers, and then obviously there's the online version. So I like this version better. This is the one that the photos I picked, so that's the one you purchase an online calendar. But Leo and Aaron printed out 150 hard copies, and they picked this photo, which is the one that I don't like as much because I don't think I look as good in it. So yeah, we just thought we'd start off by showing you the difference of the calendars that we've got here. But if you haven't purchased already, jump on board to potentially win flights and accommodation to Melbourne if you're someone that's overseas or international. Or $10,000 worth of Bodywork, which is what we're sort of working on here to get into the treatment side of things. We're treating sort of Ninja's vastus lateralis, so the outside quad. We'll get a bit of ITB, and then we might even go down into the shin. So this will be a treatment that would help someone with sort of lateral knee pain, whether you're a runner or a cyclist or something like that, where you're getting that niggling pain in the outside of the knee. This is a treatment that'll, help you out and fix you up. So if you're watching and you actually want this treatment, and jump on, purchase a calendar, just $40 to win $10,000 worth of experience, whatever it is that you pick. So it's pretty good value for purchasing a calendar, and you get something else. You get gifted even if it's not up your alley. You can gift it to a friend, the calendar, if you don't want to hang it on your wall at home. But
get your ticket.
Get your ticket.
Yeah,
that's it. Buy a lottery ticket.
Time is ticking.
Time is ticking.
If
what have we got, Ninja? We're down to what? When are we drawing?
Depend when we release this video, but it's drawn on the 31st of December 2023. But it'll be like about midday, 1st of January in Australia. So wherever that is, it might be still New Year's Eve if you're in Europe or America.
Call someone and they're blind as they would.
So get your entry in. So that's what it's all about, is kind of winning that. And the latest thing we've added as well is we're going to add in a free enrollment into our next intake.
So you can learn this sort of stuff.
That's right. So February 2024, our next intake into our online course, our mentorship. If you are local, you can have access with us to us as well. Or once it's finished, you can come over to our Money Spot weekend if you are overseas. So if you are interested in, that immersion experience, if you're overseas, make sure you buy a ticket or get a immersion experience. Whatever, we can tailor it to your needs. So whatever you kind of need, whether you've got chronic pain or niggling injuries, or you want to get stronger, or you want to
become a practitioner.
Become a practitioner. It'd be awesome to work with you. So once a lifetime opportunity, perhaps, So that's awesome.
Yeah, it's the biggest thing we've ever given away.
Yeah.
We're excited to do it.
Yeah, it's
excited
priceless.
to meet the person that does win it.
Yeah.
But what do you got for us, Nick?
I was thinking, imagine getting rid of your pain.
Oh,
how much would you pay for that? It's priceless. If you are in Melbourne and you do win, it's going to dedicate to your body for a year, and you still probably have left over to shout your family and friends treatments, because it's going to be pretty hard to use $10,000 worth of treatment and training and lift clubs and sprints and things like that. So it's a big price.
I heard a little quote from one of the guys we've been listening to a lot to, is Alex Hormozy, who's a business coach and investor type bloke. And one of the things he used to say to people that came into his gym, if the first thing they said was sort of, I'm not sure, I have to think about it, his thing was like, all right, well, maybe you're not prepared to actually fix what's the issue. Like if they needed to lose weight, or if they wanted to lose weight, but they're like, but I don't have enough time. All right, go away, come back in a year's time when you've put on 10 more kilos, or come back when you're in more pain, or come back when you're X amount. Because if you don't value it at the moment, then you're not. If you're not committed to putting time aside to actually putting towards your health to fix the pain, then maybe you're not in enough pain, or maybe you're not struggling enough. So you've got to really want it and actually make that change yourself. It is hard. It's hard to make a change, to put commitment towards your health if it's not something that's normally your priority. But if you are in pain and you want it fixed, then you do have to find time, whether it is if you normally spend couple of hours a week just watching, I don't know, things on Netflix or something like that. Maybe you've got to dedicate some of that time to, doing things for your health, whether it's going for a walk for half an hour and just making small steps, like, starting something that's going towards fixing your physical health.
Yeah, actions.
Actions
Actions that are in alignment with what you want. One of the little things I was thinking too, like there's a little phrase, the tap, a slap, and a sledgehammer. So it's like you're getting messages, you're getting little niggles, that's a little tap on the shoulder. Maybe you should look at this, maybe you should look at this, maybe you should look at this, or a slap around the face, that's like an event that sort of puts you out for a bit, you know what I mean? And, it's sort of progression on from that tap. You maybe haven't listened to the messages, and then a big, car accident type thing is a sledgehammer type of thing. So that you really have to look at it and address it then. So it's sort of like, have a look at yourself and what are you, a tap or a slap or a sledgehammer type of position in your life with your health, with your pain, and then you can kind of figure out what you need to do. If it has been got left it and it's a big, car accident type of thing that you're coming back from, and maybe you got to dedicate a lot of time to it. But if it's taps, it might be just sort of getting your habits a bit better, and then you won't have the build up to those big problems. So anyway, little food for thought.
Maybe come back around here, Leo. We've changed up what we're doing. We're hitting more of the distal ITB, so where it attaches onto the knee there. So we're actually starting right on the lateral part of the knee there, and then hitting that tendon as it drops off there. It's normally pretty tender for those people that are experiencing knee pain out there. How's it feeling for you, Ninja?
It's not too bad there.
Not too bad.
It was more when you're up high. But Jace has got a lot of strength.
That thumb's getting a lot of bend in it. If you come in close here, Leo, check out the old bend in the thumb there. We're pretty much at a 90-degree angle there, but it's just where my thumb sits at most comfortable spot for treating. Using maximum force through that pad of the thumb.
Yeah. It's got a lot of strength, this bloke. I felt like a couple of times Jason's going to crush me.
It was actually one of the treatments we did last week. We was just sort of talking to the camera, and Ninja goes, "Jason, I think you're about to break a rib." Obviously not really, but I was just sort of treating and talking at the same time, and he's like, "Yeah, you got to just ease up a little bit."
His strength. Thought he was going to break my femur there before. He never will, but... Geez.
No, never will. I've never broken anything on a
femur's going to be pretty hard to break.
We'll move down. We'll start to work through the tibialis anterior. So, quite often people can be tight through I actually had someone the other day that's like, I didn't even know there was muscles in there. Like, I didn't know that could hurt. But there are muscles through the shins that, if you're experiencing knee pain, maybe you need to look lower down. Maybe they're restricting your ankle range of motion and the ability for the ankle to move, which then is causing you to load up more through the knee. So that can be a common thing that needs to be addressed with knee pain is, do you actually have proper range of motion through that ankle, or is it stuck and blocked, and that's why you're getting pain in the knee. So it's not just looking at the knee itself, we can also look up and down the body, whether it's coming from your hip or your ankle. So it's finding treating the cause, not just your pain. The old saying, isn't it, Ninj?
Yeah. We're investigators, aren't we?
That's it.
Yeah, we're trying to figure it out, figure out the little puzzle, and get to the bottom of it. Get to the cause, the source. Unravel the source, and then the ripple-on effects, they go as well. So that's it. Yeah, you got to keep on going, haven't you? Like, no matter what position you're in.
Yeah.
Yeah, just keep on looking for the solutions. If you get that's on your radar, then you find it. But if you give up those opportunities for comfort, they're not going to present because you're not looking for them. You're giving up.
How you feeling through there, Ninja?
Yeah, it's a bit in there. So it's good. Yeah, it's been good through the shins there. I've felt some therapeutic sensations.
Yeah,
and
good. Any referral patterns down, or?
Yeah, just more into some really good spots.
Yeah.
I just knew that was helping my cause.
That's what we're after. That's what we're all about, trying to help and clear out some blockages and fix some pain and, plumb the body out. That's what we're all about. Have a bit of a chat while we do it. So, yeah, this is sort of what a real life treatment can be like sometimes. Like obviously if it's your first session, we'll tune in and focus on what's going on. But yeah, as we get a deeper connection with the client or customer, we can start to chat about other things that might be contributing to the pain, or just generally get to know each other on a better level. And that can also help to fixing pain as well, is when you've got that sort of complete trust and you trust each other, and that helps to get into those deeper layers. And sometimes you start to reveal other things that might be contributing to it that aren't just a physical thing.
Stress, in one word, isn't it? It's a
big thing in a lot of people. Everyone in life has experienced some sort of stress. But a lot of people hold on to it and aren't able to express what's going on, and so that starts to come up in their body, or gives them starts to manifest in other areas and other aspects of life. So we'll do one more, working down the outside of the shin here. So we've just worked our way around into the perineals as well. So this one can also have an effect on the ankle, and the knee as well. So staying connected, just working down.
It's pretty brutal in there.
Yeah, and it can normally be pretty red. It's mostly up at the top part of that attachment there, where you can get the trigger points and the real ropey spots. So that's where we want to target. We'll leave it there for the session. So if you've got some knee pain, this is the sort of treatment, just a quick demonstration of what we can do. Work through the lateral quads, ITB, down into the shin, look at your ankles, look at your hips. If you're interested, or if you want to come over and experience this work, jump on, purchase a calendar. You might be able to win yourself $10,000 worth of treatment, or flights and accommodation over to see us, and we can work on it in person. Thanks guys, get it done.
Buy a fucking calendar.